Hi friends! In this video, I will give you important news. According to information from Token Unlocks, the Avalanche cryptocurrency platform will unlock 9.54 million Avax tokens on August 26th. This development could have a significant impact on market liquidity and trading volume, potentially causing a slight decrease in the value of Avax. The assets to be unlocked are valued at approximately $100 million. The proportion of the tokens to be unlocked represents about 2.77% of the total supply. The platform aims to increase circulating supply by 24.5% next year. Currently, over 50% of Avax's total supply remains locked. On May 28th, the Avalanche platform previously unlocked tokens of the same quantity. Following the announcement, Avax's price experienced a slight drop in the hours that followed, but it saw an upward trend in the subsequent days. During the bull season of 2021, Avax's price surged to around $140 in November. However, like many other cryptocurrencies, it later experienced a significant decline and is currently trading at approximately $10. Make sure to keep track of important dates and details of the projects you invest in. As Avax is a notable cryptocurrency project with a substantial investor base, I wanted to share this news. This is not investment advice or divestment advice. Your decisions regarding Avax investments are entirely up to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.